Part 2, Geometry. How to calculate the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 multiply base multiply height. What is the base? What is the height? Let's use this triangle as an example. So say we have a triangle on this side, like this shape. And we have a base, which is a length B. And we have a height, which is h. What is the height? The height is from, if you define your base as this number, is the other, what do you call that, vertex, on the opposite end, making a perpendicular line to your base. Remember, a perpendicular line to your base, that's your height. So you have a base, you have a corresponding height. If you want to choose this line, this side as your base, then you would have used this angle to do a vertical line, a perpendicular line to the base. Then this would be your base and that corresponding height. Okay, if we fix B as our base, and this H would be the corresponding height, and the area of this triangle would be 1/2 multiply the length of your base and your height. Okay, remember the height has to be the perpendicular line to the corresponding base. Let's look at an example. Find the area of this triangle and find the area of this little triangle. Okay, for the first one, we have a base, that's 7. And the perpendicular line of the opposite, coming from the opposite angle to my base, is actually outside of my triangle because we have an obtuse angle. But that's okay as long as it's a perpendicular line to the base. Okay, this perpendicular line would be the height for my base. So follow the equation. 1/2 multiply the base multiply the corresponding height. That will be the area of this triangle. Let's do the same for the smaller triangle. The smaller triangle is a right angle. You have a base of 3 and you have the other end coming to the base in a perpendicular way. So that's the definition for the height. So the area would be 1/2 multiply the base multiply the corresponding height.